In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Play Store purchase history. First, let's set expectations. Google Play doesn't let you completely erase your purchase history the way you might delete your browser history. What you can do instead is remove or hide specific apps and content from your library, so they no longer show up in your main lists. This is helpful if you don't want to see old apps you no longer use, or if you simply want a cleaner, more organized Play Store experience. Start by unlocking your Android device and opening the Google Play Store app. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to make the purchases you want to manage. If you use multiple accounts on your phone, this is important, because each account has its own separate history. Once the Play Store is open, look to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. This opens the account menu. From here, choose Manage Apps and Device. This section is where you can see everything that's installed on your device, as well as apps you've downloaded in the past. Next, tap on the Manage tab. By default, you'll usually see a list of apps currently installed on your device. To access your full history, look for a filter or drop-down near the top that might say Installed. Tap on it and then switch it to Not Installed or All. This reveals apps you've previously downloaded or purchased but don't currently have on your device. Now you'll see a long list of apps associated with your account. These represent your purchase and download history. While you can't completely wipe this data from Google's servers, you can remove individual apps from your visible library. To do that, tap on an app you no longer want to see. On its page, look for an option such as Remove from Wishlist or checkmark style options that allow you to deselect or manage it. On some versions of the Play Store, you can press and hold an app in the list, select multiple apps, and then tap the trash or remove icon to hide them from your library. Take your time going through this list, especially if you've had your account for many years. Removing old or unused entries will make it much easier to find the apps you actually care about. Remember that removing an app from your library does not cancel any active subscriptions and doesn't issue a refund. It simply cleans up what you see. When you're done, back out to the main screen. Your visible purchase and download lists should now look much tidier, making it easier to navigate the Google Play Store going forward.